Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. I'm Sahil and today we are talking about why you are not making enough money with AI. Now, a lot of you are very confused on is it even possible to make money from AI? Well, I'll show you how you can fix today. Let's get straight to it. I'm Sahil Sangani. I'm from Mumbai and I help entrepreneurs leverage AI to grow their businesses. My background is in engineering, digital marketing, and e-commerce. And that's the reason I'm able to leverage AI to grow my business exponentially, and now I'm helping businesses to do the same. So today's topic is why AI isn't making you money yet and how we'll fix it. The real issue here is you're stuck because you're not spending 5 minutes daily on AI just like how we make normal habits. Here also we have to make that habit. There is no niche research or proper prompting, and you're not even thinking of how I can ask questions to AI. You're waiting for perfect AI instead of just starting out. It happens with all of us that we want that magic wand where if we do like this, our problems should be solved. But that's not how things work. You have to understand that AI is here to help you only if you know how to extract value out of it, which we are going to see in this video. The key mindset that you need here is you have to treat AI like just another person, like how I am talking to you via YouTube. And that's how you have to go about this. We go to people to ask questions, find answers, solve our problems, and even help us with suggestions, guidance, advice, and everything else. And that's how you have to treat AI. Think of it that you are chatting to just another person who knows most of the answers to most of your problems. You have to talk to ChatGPT or any other AI tool just like you are having a normal dialogue with your colleague, with your friend, with your family. And once you start doing this, you'll understand the use cases are endless. The questions that you can ask are probably more than 100, and that's where you'll start seeing the change. So here are 4 steps to change and mint money. Step 1 is write your first prompt. Don't overthink it. Ask ChatGPT about your current business challenge. It's very straightforward. You don't have to worry about anything here. Just open chatgpt.com and simply put a prompt which is right here. I'm not getting enough leads. What should I do? Ask me questions about my business so that we can solve this problem, and just click that white button. If you are watching it from phone, then just click that same white button on your phone. You can also download ChatGPT app and ask. Now once you ask these questions, you will get an answer which will be probably 5 to 10 questions, maybe 20 questions. And those 20 questions you have to reply one by one. And the moment you reply, you'll get answers that will probably change your life, or they will solve that challenge that you have currently. Here I've given this example because I'm into coaching business. Now, if you are into some other business, you can write that problem as well. You don't have to think too much. Just start using it. Just start talking to an expert who's going to change all our lives, probably sooner than you'll ever expect. Just go and do it. Step 2 is spend 5 minutes daily. You have to spend time with AI just like you spend time with any of the other person out there, so that you can get used to it, you can get used to good prompts, you can understand what and how AI responds. You can ask a lot of questions, but in a proper way only if you practice enough. Because asking the right questions is more important than getting the right answers. Right? Consistency will always help you move forward before perfection, just how I have started YouTube again with this video. And I'll be more consistent with it so that I can perfect the craft over time. Experiment with prompts in real world tasks. Let's say for example you want to go out for a sales meeting today, or to meet someone who is going to be potentially helping you in your business, or who is your potential client. Then maybe just put this prompt, hey, I'm going to meet a person from shipping industry. For example, put this prompt, hey, I'm going to meet this person from shipping industry. Can you help me identify a few questions that I should ask him that will help me build a good rapport with him in the first instance? Because they say first impression is the last impression, right? And that's what we are here for. So let's focus on that as well. Ask for help and feedback. See, if you want any help or feedback, or even want me to see your prompts, just comment below this video and we are good to go. You don't have to think too much. There are a lot of people out there here to help with any business problem that you have. So why not leverage that? And maybe you'll get some answers quickly that will change your life. That's how I have got used to internet. That's how I found most of my answers. So just go for it. Take action. That's the last step I would say. You don't have to worry about how it will go. You just have to start and fix things on the go. Learning is good, but taking action is better. Applying it is much, much better. There's something called as analysis paralysis, which is basically not able to take action and only hitting our dopamine with watching videos. which we shouldn't do. You have to take actions in order to leverage this and change your life. I'll be bringing on more videos to help you how you can do that in detail. But for now, don't just watch videos. After watching this video, go and take action and comment below if you feel that it helped you somehow. You have to test more solutions, more things so that you can change your life for good. Lastly, AI is the new internet boom. Remember the early 2000s where we never knew about mobile phones, internet? That's what AI is to most of the people. And if you are in this corner of internet watching my video, it's good that you can just take steps and you are ahead of 90% of your competitors. As in internet age, early adopters gained huge advantage. That is what is going to happen here as well. So don't worry, just take massive action and you are going to shine. Now it's AI's turn to help you. So go out and do it. But if you really think you need help personally one-on-one, then you can comment below or book a call with the link in the description, and I'm here to help. So just book a call and we'll see if we are good fit. Then we are going to work together and grow your business exponentially. See you in the next video. Meanwhile, just go and take that action.